You ready?
Absolutely. Let's go.
Okay, just met Christian at his house and we're off to meet James and the other boys. Here we are at
Tarn Lake Trailhead, Mount Lyall.
Mount Lyall Trailhead.
Yeah, in the Beehive Natural Area, south of Calgary.
Got Jeff,
Christian,
James, Marius,
Khalid,
and this is Isis. Isis, where are you?
There she
There
is.
you are.
There she is. Icon.
Cheers! All right, this is my trail. It's the Wandering Panda. Okay, after that wonderful intro, we walked maybe 30 feet. We all have our boots on. Look what we got to do. These are experienced hikers right here.
Really Marius, 3 points down. Foot, pull, move one at a time.
Do you want to use both poles?
Huh?
Use both poles?
Yeah. I guess so, it's better.
Here, give me the phone. I'll take it. Crossing the river, we're finally on our way. It's a bit late, it's like 2 o'clock, but we have till 9:30 before sundown. And it's roughly about 7.5 kilometers in. So we'll take our time and, you know, have some fun.
Maybe Marty knows. What is that?
Took a bit of a wrong turn, so we're just gonna cut across the forest here, zip right across and intersect the trail, the Mount Lyall Trail.
Get her across.
Oh, come on.
What's in there that's not nothing, it's just the only thing is her food.
Okay, we tried to take the trail up and it's not a trail anymore, it's gone. So we're back here at this structure. Generally this is where a venue where Sasquatch get married.
Yes.
So we need to get out of here quick before they come back and hoot at us.
Hey, get out! Go over there! Go over there!
Shoes are wet maybe? I stepped out onto that one too, a lot more stable.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Okay, after that little episode, we're just gonna follow this ATV trail, which we probably should have done in the first place. But on the maps, that last trail was marked out. So, I don't know. No one's been up that trail in a long time. And it's all grown over. We lost it, we found it, we lost it. And before we got too far, before we killed ourselves, turn around and come back to this one. We do have to backtrack slightly when we get to the top, when we intersect the GDT, but not by much. Christian brought some newspapers along to chill out on the trail with.
Yeah. My portable Reader's Digest.
Yeah, not much to see here. Fire road. Okay, so we're here following these bear tracks, which are kind of old. What was that you were saying, James?
What, the trail, when the trail is the river, the river is the trail.
Okay, take a bit of a break here. See if we can see
There's a spot to stop right here, guys.
yeah, it's disappeared behind, but Beehive will be over here. Mount Gas, and this is where we're going right here. There's this big wall, and the lake is directly straight ahead. So we have to come up a bit and then come down the GDT. Seems to be the theme this month. Post-holing. Some nice dry trail up, but this part gets no sun, obviously. And we should be coming up to the GDT soon here. I should just cross us. So we're thinking if there's this much snow now, there's going to be a lot of snow up at Lyall Lake. But there's another lake going the other way that we'll probably decide just to do that instead.
Hey, there we go.
We're not going to Lyall.
No.
There's no way. It's gonna be like this the whole way. So we're gonna go down this way to Memory Lake.
How far is it from here? Where you'll see it.
This is Memory Lake. Well, I'm not too disappointed, I gotta tell you.
I think that's gonna be boggy.
Yeah.
Either that or we go to the other side and get the sun in the morning.
Right against the lake either. We can drop our all set up.
And here we go.
Bear mace, Christian?
Yes.
Alrighty, so we have arrived and we are set up. Alrighty, so we got the quinoa, which is going to be our starch. We're going to mix that in with some edamame beans, some ginger, some lemon, and a little bit of purple cabbage. And then we have our Brussels sprouts, which we're going to caramelize with a little bit of oil, toss with some shallots and salt and pepper. And then we have our Cajun chicken in here. So this is going to be a medium fry on it, so it's not going to be completely submerged like a deep fryer, but it's going to have a little more oil than your traditional saute. It's going to look fucking money. How's that onion smell, gentlemen?
Delicious.
Fuck yeah. This is a fire hazard as well, guys. So just be careful not to knock it or anything. I need to get my soap.
Yeah, just cover it.
Calling all captain.
Well, matey, I'm doing really good. I'm excited for the food we're gonna have. Apparently this has turned Scottish. But you know, they're Scottish pirates.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers.
Worth it. Yo.
Thanks again, James.
Thank you
looks
very much
beautiful.
there, guys.
Thank you so much.
Always fucking appreciate you guys. Enjoy the fucking food. This is my pleasure. The looks on your faces.
Bon appétit, mes amis.
Isis, over here.
Ooh.
You're going over there. That was actually the best meal we had, though. That first night, we just went to bed, right? We set the tents up, and we're like, we're fucking cold. We're going. Oh, and I got out for a second, and like, I had a harsh like freeze. Yeah.
What are you looking
I
at?
remember that. Good time.
What are you looking at? Oh, what are you looking at?
It was that Sunday. Cause you know that fucking tent ain't gonna do shit if the bear wants to.
No,
get in
but I
it.
could have put it on his price. Instead of just leaving it like that.
What a beautiful morning. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little hungover. Are you hungover? Are you? Hmm?
There we
go. Take your picture because that plate, yeah, it's starting to heat up.
Okay, James has made us pancakes, whipped cream, caramel sauce, chocolate chips, and mini Oreos. Mmm. Well, that didn't last long.
Just water, lake, and like water mountain. Thank you.
I'll keep good memories of Memory Lake.
Yeah.
But there's some decent flat ground.
I think the people I tell them I go out hiking, they're expecting me to like climb that. It's like, no, we just walk along the trail.
That's a good print right there.
Well done, buddy.
Ike says don't jump in there.
Give it to me.
Oh, tell my parents if I die, my dog's going to jail. She has no better friend in this world than you.